नमस्ते, सलाम, सत श्री अकाल, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड इवनिंग, गुड आफ्टरनून। कैसे हो आप सब लोग? आई होप आप बिल्कुल ठीक हो, मज़े में हो और इस साल के अंत का इंतज़ार कर रहे हो बिल्कुल मेरी तरह, क्योंकि ये साल तो सबका बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट गुज़रा है और मेरी एक ही प्रार्थना है भगवान से कि इस साल के साथ ये सारी तकलीफ़ें भी चली जाए और अगले साल बहुत ही शांति, सुकून, हैप्पीनेस सबको मिले। यही इच्छा है, यही प्रार्थना है सबके लिए। तो इस वीडियो में मैं थोड़े अपने क्रिसमस के प्रिपरेशंस आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी। सोचा चलो आपको हाय बोलते हैं। और सब कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप बिल्कुल ही ठीक हो। यहाँ पे वेदर बहुत ठंडा हो चुका है, आपको शायद दिख रहा होगा, बाहर स्नो भी है, यू कैन सी ओवर देयर। या तो बस यही तो है ना, मिडवेस्ट का विंटर किसको बोलते हैं अगर स्नो नहीं है। होपफुली इस साल क्रिसमस विल बी वाइट क्रिसमस। अभी तो लग रहा है बहुत अच्छा, पर देखते हैं कैसे जाता है। तो बस क्रिसमस की छुट्टियां शुरू होने को है अगले हफ्ते से। तो बच्चे घर पे आएंगे, बहुत सारा मज़ा करेंगे। लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू बीइंग विद माय किड्स एंड द होल फैमिली टुगेदर। तो बस उसी की तैयारियां एक्चुअली चल रही हैं। बच्चे आएंगे तो क्या करेंगे, क्या खाएंगे, क्या पिएंगे। इतना मज़ा आता है ना जब सब इकट्ठे होते हैं। इस साल तो बिल्कुल ही हम किसी के साथ ना मिले हैं जुले हैं, तो बस ये जो फाइनल ईयर एंड का सेलिब्रेशन है, होपफुली मज़ा आएगा सबके साथ। And this is the way my Christmas tree was decorated, all set, ready for the presents. Added some more lights, and here is the daytime view of the tree. This year I decided not to add any ornaments, and here I am getting ready to wrap Christmas presents. I have turned on the TV with Christmas music and fireplace scenery and getting ready to wrap the presents for my beautiful kids and beautiful pets. So yeah, that's how it goes. And I know I'm a little late in uploading this video. My plan was to upload it before the end of the year, but life happens. Kids were here, and I really hope you guys all had a wonderful holiday with your families, loved ones, and you got to really enjoy the last couple of days of the year. So with the gifts, I had more gifts for the pets than I had for my kids. Isn't that funny? I found it very hilarious. And so this gift was for our little cat guy. a feeding bowl set, and lots of treats and catnip for Kai. And this was the easiest way I found to wrap that big thing, because it was a little big for wrapping it all the way. And then I got a few balls and toys for Charlie. He loves to chew on toys and, you know, play catch with them. So these are all the play toys for Charlie, our lovely dog, little puppy. He's not a puppy, but he is very, very loved. And so once I was done putting the names on all the gifts, the first gifts that went under the tree were for Charlie and Kai. They took precedence this year over my kids, and it was funny. My kids were happy, and I was like, oh my God, this Christmas was different. So yeah, you will see both of them opening the gifts, and here I am walking the gift to the tree for Charlie and for Kai, and then the rest will go in there too. This is the first time in my life that I have experienced having any kind of pet, and now I understand when I hear people say that they really change your life. They bring so much joy and love and happiness, and I was beyond thrilled to have all of my family with me Christmas morning, enjoying and celebrating. So here, still continuing the Christmas gift wrapping. I'm almost done. And then you will see them all under the tree. And then I had to do the prepping for the family visit. So I prepared a few dishes ahead of time and kept it ready so that when my kids are home, I don't have to spend time in the kitchen. So here is the dishes that I prep: pav bhaji, paneer masala, tadka dal, chole. You'll see chole right there. Also made yummy kheer that everybody thoroughly enjoyed. This is the best kheer recipe I have come across. If you would like a video on it, leave a comment down below that, hey, we want to see the video on the kheer, and I will put it. And that is the dough for rotis. So all the prep was done, and I cannot forget my beautiful handsome Charlie. So that is khichdi for Charlie. He really loves eating khichdi, so we add his dog food to the khichdi, half and half, and while he's here he gets to enjoy desi food. आप भी अपने फैमिली के साथ, घर में बच्चों के साथ, बड़ों के साथ, भाई बहनों के साथ, चाचा चाची, मामा मामी, जो भी है, वीडियो कॉलिंग करना, बहुत मज़ा आएगा. Merry Christmas! It's Christmas morning and the breakfast is getting made. We have our champagne flutes ready with our mock mimosas, and I had made veggie skillet that was cooking. So that's mixed vegetables with hash browns and lots of fresh herbs. We made cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls. Here is my daughter pretending to ice them because she was already done, and I said, do it again. And here is what the morning looked like at our household, with the tree scenery in the background, with Christmas music playing, and the naughty little girl is posing for me. And the best part was when Kai and Charlie got to open their gifts, and that's Kai, and he is smelling those treats and going absolutely crazy. Look at him. Oh my god, he is so cute and cuddly. Like, just look at him. I mean, I cannot get enough of him. Oh, he's the cutest. And then you will see Charlie getting in on an action. It's like, where are my gifts? You can't do this to me. And he just took the packet and ran where there was a lot more space and just ripped it open. It was just amazing to see this little animals having fun, opening their gifts. I truly enjoyed the Christmas with all the craziness of this year. This was the best end of the year holiday with my pets, my kids, and everybody else. My husband, of course, can't do anything without him. I hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful Christmas as well. आई होप सब सबका न्यू ईयर अच्छा निकले, न्यू ईयर्स ईव अच्छी जाए, क्रिसमस अच्छा जाए, छुट्टियाँ अच्छी जाए बच्चों के साथ, और ये सब हम पीछे छोड़ के अगले साल बिल्कुल नई दुनिया में, जहाँ कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है, ना कोविड है ना कुछ है, और सब हेल्दी हैं, हैप्पी हैं, ऐसे हम जाएंगे। यही मेरी आशा है और यही मेरी ऊपर वाले से, द डिवाइन सोर्स एनर्जी से प्रार्थना है सबके लिए, नॉट जस्ट मेरे लिए, एवरीबडी, फॉर एवरीबडी। आई प्रे दैट फॉर एवरीबडी। आप सब अपना ध्यान रखिएगा और मिलते हैं जल्दी ही। थैंक यू फॉर लाइकिंग, वॉचिंग एंड कमेंटिंग ऑन माई वीडियोज़। आई रियली अप्रिशिएट इट। आई मे नॉट बी एबल टू पुट अनदर वीडियो अप दिस ईयर, सो मिलेंगे अगले साल। तब तक के लिए stay and have a wonderful, wonderful end of the year, and we'll see you on the flip side.